Hey lovely people, welcome back once again to another episode of Stitches Beads Collection. I'm Miss Stitches. Today I want to share with you the number one trick of how I enlarge the base of my vintage pearl bag. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Let's get started. Materials needed. So you cut your fish line and fold it into two and make sure you have two equal parts. As we started with a small one, we are picking 5 beads. Then we cross with 1, adding up to 6. So we still get something like a ring. So we join both ends and fix 1 bead. All we are trying to do here is to fix it in the middle. So after you get something like a mini flower, a beautiful pearl flower. So to extend or expand or make the base of the bag big, you pick one small bead on one side and then fix 1 big one, then 1 small again, and then 1 big, and then last small bead. So with the last one you cross with the other side. So you get something like this. Then you repeat the same process. You pass the fish line through 1 round bead. By this time you fix 1 red bead first, then 1 white bead, then 1 red bead again, and you cross both sides with the last white bead. So you repeat the same process to this side, and I'm going to do it off camera. So with the last part, you pass the thread or fish line through the last red bead, then to the white bead, then you pick 1 red bead, then 1 pearl bead, then you pick the last red bead and cross it with the other end. Now you see your base is becoming bigger than the previous one. Now you pass the thread or the fish line through the next red bead, so it comes out from the other end of the red bead, and then fix one pearl bead, and then 2 red beads, and then you cross with another white bead. Now with the second part, you pass the thread through the second pearl bead, as you can see, and then fix one red bead and cross with one pearl bead. With the next part, you pass the thread through the 2 red beads, then you pick 2 red beads and cross with one pearl. So you are still trying to make the beads a little bigger, so you repeat the same process to the end. Then you cross. So I'm going to do the rest off camera. Now with the last part of the beads, you pass the thread or fish line through the 2 pearl beads, then you cross with 1 red bead, you can still go on and enlarge the base of the bag, but this is the size I want, so I'm going to start weaving around it to make the body of the bag. Well, I have a tutorial on how to make the full size vintage pearl bag, or how to make the vintage pearl bag itself. So if this is going faster, you can watch that tutorial as well, so you understand it better. I will drop the link in the description box so you can watch the full tutorials as well. So after the handle, you just fix in your sack bag. Then you have your full-size vintage pearl bag. And this is the simple and easiest way to enlarge the base of a vintage pearl bag. Make sure you please comment and share. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more of my tutorials. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. See you in my next video, and bye.